Welcome back, traders. Hope your weekend recharge didn't miss today's hot start as markets gapped up and charged higher after last Friday's consolidation bounce. With SPY and QQQ teasing all-time highs and key data drops later this week, we're set for potential fireworks amid the lingering shutdown fog. You're tuned into the Stock Market Summary Series, and as you guys know, none of this is buying or selling advice. We're just here to provide market commentary and education. But nothing we say here is financial advice. Okay, let's get into it. So we really opened the week with some serious conviction, huh?
Oh, yeah, definitely some fire. SPY surged, what, 1.04%?
Yep, 1.04%. And the big thing there technically is it reclaimed the 20-day moving average.
Yeah.
That kind of shifts the narrative, right? Back from just consolidating to maybe pushing higher, puts us right on the doorstep of all-time highs.
Exactly, right on the doorstep. And the Qs followed, jumped 1.26%.
Pretty strong across the board.
It really was. I mean, DIA added a solid 1.13%, but the IWM, the small caps, that really led the charge, ripped 1.95%.
Almost 2%.
Yeah, and that breakout, it suggests small caps are finding their footing again. That's often a pretty clear signal that risk appetite is genuinely back.
Good point. Sector-wise, materials, XLB, they were leading today.
That's right. XLB topped the list, up about 1.19%.
Okay, let's pivot to some setups people might be watching. Rich Tech Robotics, RR, it's been trending higher, good volume, but now it's in this pullback. Feels like a crucial test point. Are the bulls going to step in here, or does it just sort of fade?
Right, that's the question. And that actually ties nicely into Palantir, PLTR. That one looks like a classic bull flag forming.
Oh, yeah, coiling up.
Exactly. Coiling, compressing, looks like it's storing energy for a potential move. It's actually a prime educational setup, kind of like those triangles in JOBY and SoFi we mentioned last Friday. So with PLTR, you're watching that compression. Is it a true coiled spring ready to pop? Or maybe, just maybe, is the lower volume on this coil a little bit of a warning sign? Need to see how it breaks.
That's where the practical side comes in.
Yeah.
You got to define that break zone and then have your stop loss ready, no matter which way it goes.
Absolutely non-negotiable stops.
Getting that kind of disciplined position, sizing down, that's, practical stuff we really hammer home in the Grok Trade mentorship. It makes a difference.
And it's interesting seeing these risk-on type setups in PLTR and that IWM rip because it's all happening with this government shutdown still hanging over everything. Day 20 now.
Yeah, day 20, still muddying the waters, especially for data releases like we flagged before.
Exactly. Sentiment's a bit murky.
Right. We still don't know exactly when those delayed September jobs and CPI numbers are coming out. Sometime late October, supposedly.
Yeah, late October. We'll see.
So near term,
right.
Got to watch the scheduled stuff. Existing home sales on Thursday. And then Friday looks big with some heavy-hitting inflation data.
Oh, yeah. Friday could definitely shake things up. Either pour fuel on this rally or, derail it pretty quickly.
Okay, shifting over to crypto and metals. Bitcoin kept its momentum going, up another, 2.06%?
Continuation move.
After that crazy deep wick last Friday, below 108K support that just snapped right back. Does this feel like renewed accumulation to you? Or just a pause?
Well, the chart action suggests accumulation, pushing through some resistance there. But the real drama today, technically speaking, was gold. GLD.
Oh, yeah. What happened there?
I have to say, Friday's candle, that heavy, bearish engulfing one, that looked like a strong reversal signal. I thought gold might be in for a pullback.
Right.
Instead, it just completely blew past that signal today, rocketed 3.64%, straight through it to new all-time highs.
Wow. Completely invalidated the bearish candle.
Totally. And the GC futures charts back it up. GLD has been holding above its 8-day EMA pretty much since that weekly bull flag breakout back in August. Just keeps climbing.
And silver. It got hit hard last week.
Silver, SLV, it rebounded a bit today, too, about 1.55%, trying to recover some ground after that plunge.
As always, guys, if you've got a stock you're watching or a question about the markets, drop it in the comments. We might cover it in an upcoming episode. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate these market summaries, do us a big favor and hit that like button. It's totally free. It helps us out in a big way. And click subscribe, too. So you don't miss a beat. You can always unsubscribe later.
Seeing moves like today, indices gapping over moving averages, IWM leading like that, gold smashing through what looked like clear resistance, it really underscores why having a system matters. And that's exactly what the Grok Trade mentorship focuses on. It delivers real results because it's all about sharpening that edge through pattern recognition, volume analysis, and really ironclad risk management. We do that with one-on-one coaching, supporting traders until they recoup their investment. It's about building consistency.
So wrapping up today, This gap and go action, it's definitely a momentum builder. Sets the stage for potentially a serious test of those all-time highs, assuming the bulls stay in control.
But you always got to watch those prior swing tops. That's where the bears might try to make a stand.
Definitely. So here's something to think about. What's your take on PLTR? That potential breakout we talked about. Which way do you think it breaks first, up or down? How does it stack up against those other watches from last week? Give that some thought. Wishing you a great rest of the day, and we'll catch you in tomorrow's market summary.